Competitive pricing for 1000/U bulb and ballast replacement varies. Factors that affect pricing are firstly, the number of bulbs and ballasts to be replaced, secondly, the height of the light fixtures, thirdly, the accessibility of the light fixtures, and fourthly, the complexity of the replacement process. Regarding Georgia-based companies, ABC Lighting might charge $125 to $150 per bulb and ballast replacement at 30-foot height. XYZ Lighting Solutions might charge $110 to $135 per bulb and ballast replacement at 30-foot height. Delta Lighting might charge $95 to $120 per bulb and ballast replacement at 30-foot height. For national companies operating in Georgia, GE Lighting Services may charge $100 to $140 per bulb and ballast replacement at 30-foot height. Philips Lighting Solutions may charge $105 to $135 per bulb and ballast replacement at 30-foot height. Sylvania Lighting might charge $90 to $120 per bulb and ballast replacement at 30-foot height. A bucket truck with an extendable boom is the most commonly used equipment for changing bulbs at 30-foot height. It provides the necessary reach and elevation to access the light fixtures while keeping the technician safely off the ground. A bucket lift is a less expensive option than a bucket truck, but it has limited reach and elevation capabilities. It is suitable for light fixtures at lower heights or in areas with obstacles. It is generally not advisable to move cars in a customer's inventory lot, as this can be disruptive and potentially damaging to the vehicles. If possible, the bucket truck or bucket lift should be maneuvered around the cars to access the light fixtures. To handle these situations effectively, experienced pole lighting technicians recommend the following approach. Firstly, negotiate a fair price. Secondly, use appropriate equipment. Thirdly, minimize disruption. And fourthly, communicate with the customer. Research market rates and negotiate a competitive price with the customer based on the factors mentioned earlier. Utilize a bucket truck for optimal reach and safety. Plan the work carefully to avoid moving the cars as much as possible. Use spotters to assist with maneuvering the equipment around obstacles. Keep the customer informed throughout the process and address any concerns they may have.